bought 7 of these Roman swords so that you don't have to. First of all, take a close look at this. Looks to be like plastic or really highly polished wood. I'm really actually quite impressed with the exterior. That's nice. However, when we look at the interior, we will see that although it is quite ornate, it is not sharp at all. I don't know who thought that this had some sort of razor edge on it, but yeah, I couldn't even open an envelope with this. It's basically is as sharp as a mushroom. I mean, look at the tip right there. Yeah, let's actually try to, that's not even going in there. So if you have a sharpener, I would recommend a belt sharpener of some kind to actually put an edge on this thing. Other than that, it is quite nice. I'm just kind of disappointed that, wow, they're not sharp at all.